Hey everybody, I'd like to introduce a group build I like to host. This will be the first time hosting a group build, so hopefully you'll be able to join, and I would love to see everybody involved. So what it is, it's going to be a Halloween themed group build. The dates are going to start on September 25th, which is a Saturday, and it's going to run to October 31st. So in this group build, it is going to be a Halloween group build. What would be kits that could be done, or the rules? It could be a classic figure kit that you can consider being in a scary movie or so. So like this one here is Atlantis, the Phantom of the Opera. This is the one I'm going to actually do. Like last year I did the Grim Reaper around this time. I was actually going to host it then, but then it became too late and everything like that. And so this year I'm making sure I'm doing it on time, and hopefully you guys can join. But any of these kits, we got Atlantis, there's Mobius, there's quite a few other ones. If it fits in this genre, you can build it if you want. Model car kits, there's a few of them out there that can be considered that. There's Elvira's car, you have the Munsters. It usually comes in a double kit. It has Dracula in it, and it has the coach. There's also Christine. I think there's also a couple other ones out there I can't think of at the moment, but those are all welcome into it. The other one is like if there's a car that's well known from a scary movie and you want to make a replica of it, that is welcome to it. Just let us know what it is. You also can do any model, planes, trains, tanks, cars. They give it a Halloween theme, and what I mean by that is if you put like skulls, or make a rat rod with webs and stuff like that, and make it kind of spooky, ghosts and stuff like that. You can even do a ship with like ghostly sails and stuff like that. That would be pretty cool. So anything given a theme. Another thing would be dioramas. Anything with a Halloween diorama. You could do there's houses, you know, haunted houses and stuff like that. That would be pretty cool. Graveyards and stuff like that. And then the last thing is also you can do minifigs, which would be, you know, these guys here. They would work as well. They're very Halloween themed, in my opinion. So those will go very well with the group build. Also, there is the figures that people 3D print and stuff like that. As long as it's kind of a Halloween theme, stuff like that, go for it. It'll be very well welcomed into the group build. So like I said, this is going to be my first hosting of a group build, and hopefully all you guys can attend. More the merrier. I know there's a lot of group builds going on during this time, so that's why I kind of wanted to give you enough time window to do it. It'd be nice if everybody, once they're done, does their video, if they can send me, you know, a couple pictures of it. I will have my email down below, but I would want it done on a certain day so that way I don't miss it. But I like to put a video together of everybody's builds, so that way if somebody joins and others are not subscribed to that person, they can see it, and then they maybe will go to their channel and watch their video. So that is the plan. If you are interested, in the bottom of this, in the comments, please say I'm in, just like a lot of other group builds. Let me know, that way I can put you on the list. And when I do my updates, I'll show everybody that's on my list. If you're not on the list and you want to be in the group build, please leave a comment in that video or anything like that. My email is quite easy to get a hold of me. It's Russellmodelcars@gmail.com. I believe it's on my main page. So with all that being said, hopefully y'all can join, and until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.